Hey, what's up? I guess you're also a gadget lover like me, and that's why you're watching this video right now. What we have today is a cleaning device which is from Portronics. It's called Clean P. Now there is a Clean N as well, which is quite famous, and a lot of people have bought that. If you look at Flipkart, Amazon, and other shopping websites, you would see a lot of reviews, a lot of purchases. However, the Clean P is a relatively newer cleaning device and not that popular yet. It's available for less than 300 bucks, which I think is a very good deal. It looks somewhat like this. Now on this side is basically a cloth. It's a microfiber cloth, so you can spray and wipe your device. Simple as that. I don't have a device with me right now to show you. And there's also a button on this, so when you click on this or when you slide it, you get the brush out like this, so that you can clean your keyboard and phones and all other devices. Basically keyboards mainly for this, and it goes inside like this. Now there is a slide open mechanism. When you slide it, you will first find a keyboard pop. Basically you can remove keyboard switches using this device. You can basically plug out. You can basically plug the keys out from your keyboard using this tool. I'm gonna keep it back like this. Okay, arranging it is very easy, so I like that for sure. There is a teeny tiny spray bottle. You can spray on your phone like Colin, and easy to refill as well. Although the bottle is very small, I think 4 or 5 sprays it's gonna run out the liquid, and of course you can refill it. A little gimmicky, a little toy-like, but yeah, works, especially when you're traveling. The next useful thing is this tool. This is your earbud cleaner. It comes with a side brush. It also comes with a nib kind of a brush like this on the top, and it also comes with a microfiber at the bottom so that you can clean a smaller surface. Next up is this one. You have a earbuds case. When you remove the earbuds, there's a cavity left and right, so that can be cleaned using this brush. It's soft, it's fully made of sponge, and the quality is nice. For 300 rupees, I think, what else can you ask for? There's also a SIM ejector tool, all arranged very well inside this, just this much of space and so many things inside. So that's the magic about this, and that's it. There's nothing else. There's nothing else on the back. There's a mobile stand. You can pull and keep your mobile on this. So would you buy this for 300 rupees, or during sale it's available for 199 as well? So would you buy this, or would you recommend this to your friend? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.